Let's discuss some examples. Example 1. If a line intersects sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively and is parallel to BC, prove that AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Okay, here if a line intersects side AB and AC of a triangle ABC at D and E respectively. Okay, first draw triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Okay, here if a line intersects side AB and AC at D and E respectively. Okay, line intersects AB at D and AC line. It intersects at AC line at E. Okay, here this line is parallel to BC. Okay, here we need to prove AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Okay, according to Thales theorem, if one line is parallel to one side of the triangle, that line divides other two sides in same ratio. Okay, according to Thales theorem. AD. Here DE line is parallel to BC. Okay, here DE divides AB and AC in same ratio. Okay, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay, this is the Thales theorem. Or BD by DA. DB by AD equal to EC by AE. Okay, this is the Thales theorem. Okay, adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. DB by AD plus 1 equal to EC by AE plus 1. Okay, take LCM AD. DB plus AD equal to, here LCM is AE. EC plus AE. See, DB plus AD. DB plus AD. DB plus AD, which is equal to AB. Okay, AB by AD. EC plus AE. EC plus AE, which is equal to AC. AC by AE. Here we need to prove AD by AB equal to AE by AC. Okay, reciprocal of these fractions, these ratios. What is the reciprocal? AD by AB. AD by AB equal to reciprocal of this ratio AE by AC. Okay, example 2. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Okay, here parallel sides are AB and DC. Okay, E and F are the points on non-parallel sides AD and DC respectively. Here non-parallel sides are AD and BC such that EF is parallel to AB. Show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Okay, first draw trapezium. Here parallel sides AB and CD. A, B, C, D. Here AB is parallel to DC. Okay. And E and F are the points on non-parallel sides AD and BC. Okay. Respectively, and EF is parallel to BC. Here E and F parallel to DC. Okay. E, F. E and F are the points on non-parallel side AD, BC. Okay. Is it clear? This is the trapezium. Here we need to prove AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Okay. Let us join AC. Okay. Let us join A and C. Okay. This is the line. Okay. Here point is A, B, C, D, E, F. Let this point is G. Okay. See. A, B, C. A, B, C. This is a triangle. Okay. This is one triangle. From triangle ABC, here FG line, FG is parallel to AB. Okay, FG is parallel to AB. Okay, according to Thales theorem, one line is parallel to one side of the triangle. That line divides other two sides in same ratio. Okay. Here ratio is AG by GC equal to BF by FC. Okay. This is the equation 1 according to Thales theorem. Thales theorem or BPT theorem. Okay. Next. See. A, D, C. A, D, C. This is one triangle. A, D, C is the one triangle. From triangle A, D, C. Here EG. EG is parallel to CD. Okay. EG is parallel to CD or DC. Okay. According to Thales theorem, this line divides other two sides in same ratio. Okay. AE by ED. AE by ED equal to AG by GC. AG by GC. This is the equation 2. Okay. AE by ED equal to AG by GC. Okay. Here using Thales theorem. See. AG by GC equal to BF by FC. Here AG by GC equal to AE by ED. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, equating these two ratios, AG by GC. AG by GC equal to BF by FC, which is equal to AE by ED. Okay, therefore, BF by AE by EG equal to BF by FC. Okay, see, show that AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Here we get AE by this is AE by ED. AE by ED. Okay, therefore AE by ED equal to BF by FC. Hence proved.